Repeat 3 times to improve reading and listening skills.
We are together.
We are together.
We are together.
The dog is loud.
The dog is loud.
The dog is loud.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
He eats rice.
He eats rice.
He eats rice.
She drinks water.
She drinks water.
She drinks water.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
The sun is bright.
The sun is bright.
The sun is bright.
It is late.
It is late.
It is late.
They sleep early.
They sleep early.
They sleep early.
We walk fast.
We walk fast.
We walk fast.
I read books.
I read books.
I read books.
She writes letters.
She writes letters.
She writes letters.
He plays football.
He plays football.
He plays football.
They sing songs.
They sing songs.
They sing songs.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
We are friends.
We are friends.
We are friends.
The baby is crying.
The baby is crying.
The baby is crying.
The car is red.
The car is red.
The car is red.
He is running.
He is running.
He is running.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
She is laughing.
She is laughing.
She is laughing.
They are singing.
They are singing.
They are singing.
I have a pencil.
I have a pencil.
I have a pencil.
He has a dog.
He has a dog.
He has a dog.
We have a house.
We have a house.
We have a house.
The house is big.
The house is big.
The house is big.
The book is new.
The book is new.
The book is new.
I like cats.
I like cats.
I like cats.
She likes ice cream.
She likes ice cream.
She likes ice cream.
He likes chocolate.
He likes chocolate.
He likes chocolate.
We like movies.
We like movies.
We like movies.
The cake is sweet.
The cake is sweet.
The cake is sweet.
The room is clean.
The room is clean.
The room is clean.
It is dark.
It is dark.
It is dark.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am tired.
You are tall.
You are tall.
You are tall.
She is beautiful.
She is beautiful.
She is beautiful.
I feel good.
I feel good.
I feel good.
It is cold today.
It is cold today.
It is cold today.
The ball is round.
The ball is round.
The ball is round.
He is smart.
He is smart.
He is smart.
She is strong.
She is strong.
She is strong.
I am learning.
I am learning.
I am learning.
They are playing.
They are playing.
They are playing.
We are eating.
We are eating.
We are eating.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I'm writing.
She is reading.
She is reading.
She is reading.
He is sleeping.
He is sleeping.
He is sleeping.
It is time to go.
It is time to go.
It is time to go.
I need help.
I need help.
I need help.
She is waiting.
She is waiting.
She is waiting.
He is dancing.
He is dancing.
He is dancing.
They are cooking.
They are cooking.
They are cooking.
We are working.
We are working.
We are working.
I have a question.
I have a question.
I have a question.
The window is open.
The window is open.
The window is open.
I hear music.
I hear music.
I hear music.
The tree is tall.
The tree is tall.
The tree is tall.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
She is wearing a dress.
She is wearing a dress.
She is wearing a dress.
He is wearing shoes.
He is wearing shoes.
He is wearing shoes.
They are standing.
They are standing.
They are standing.
We are sitting.
We are sitting.
We are sitting.
I am talking.
I am talking.
I am talking.
He is thinking.
He is thinking.
He is thinking.
She is cooking dinner.
She is cooking dinner.
She is cooking dinner.
I am walking home.
I am walking home.
I am walking home.
They are visiting us.
They are visiting us.
They are visiting us.
She is my sister.
She is my sister.
She is my sister.
He is my brother.
He is my brother.
He is my brother.
We are students.
We are students.
We are students.
It is a good day.
It is a good day.
It is a good day.
The food is ready.
The food is ready.
The food is ready.
I am at home.
I am at home.
I am at home.
She is on the phone.
She is on the phone.
She is on the phone.
We are at the park.
We are at the park.
We are at the park.
He is in the room.
He is in the room.
He is in the room.
It is a beautiful flower.
It is a beautiful flower.
It is a beautiful flower.
I like your dress.
I like your dress.
I like your dress.
She likes your shoes.
She likes your shoes.
She likes your shoes. I need a pen.
I need a pen.
I need a pen. The store is open.
The store is open.
The store is open.
They are friends.
They are friends.
They are friends.
The dog is sleeping.
The dog is sleeping.
The dog is sleeping.
I can swim.
I can swim.
I can swim.
She can sing.
She can sing.
She can sing.
He can play the guitar.
He can play the guitar.
He can play the guitar.
We can go now.
We can go now.
We can go now.
They can dance.
They can dance.
They can dance.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it.
It is not easy.
It is not easy.
It is not easy.
She is good at painting.
She is good at painting.
She is good at painting.
We are learning English.
We are learning English.
We are learning English.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
I am here.
I am here.
I am here.
She is sad.
She is sad.
She is sad.
He is busy.
He is busy.
He is busy.
It is raining.
It is raining.
It is raining.
They are happy.
They are happy.
They are happy.